Hello there mga ka-learners, how are you? Welcome back to Pinoy ESL channel. I'm Jacob. In this video, actually this is going to be a short video, I want us to look at these two words which are commonly mistaken. So but kung bago ka sa channel na to, make sure na nakapag-subscribe ka na, or if not yet, hit subscribe and that notification bell para lagi kang updated. Okay, so as I was saying, pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang tungkol sa mga salitang beside at besides. So these words are commonly mistaken. So aralin natin ngayon kung paano gagamitin ng tama ang dalawang salitang ito. First word, beside. Beside. So yung beside is a preposition. Pag sinabi nating preposition, it's a connecting word. And it can connect noun to noun or noun to pronoun. So when we say noun, di ba? Ito yung names of people, place, things, animals, events. So that's what a connecting word does. And basically, beside is a preposition. Kapag ginamit natin to sa sentence, it will be like this. Beside me is my beautiful wife. Here she is. So, beside me is my beautiful wife. Pwede ring my beautiful wife is beside me. Sa Tagalog, katabi ko ang maganda kong asawa. O ang maganda kong asawa ay katabi ko. So, in essence, beside means next to. Next to. Okay, I hope that's clear. Number 2, or the last word is besides. Besides. So, like beside, besides is also a preposition. However, there are references that tell us na we can also use it as an adverb, but for the purpose of this discussion, we'll just use it as a preposition. Okay, so besides, as we said, it is a preposition, so it also connects noun to noun or noun to pronoun. In a sentence, this would look like this. So I have a packet of mixed nuts here. Okay, and it says, in it, there are peanuts. There are peanuts. Besides peanuts, there are also green peas, fava beans, corn, and more. Okay, so besides peanuts, this pack has green peas, fava beans, and corn. Okay? It also has other things. So when we say besides, it means in addition to. In addition to. Maliban sa peanuts, meron din itong green peas, fava beans, and corn. Okay? So there you have it mga ka-learners. Beside versus besides. Beside means next to. Besides means in addition to. That's all for this video. Until the next video. Again, don't forget the good habit. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. Until then, happy learning!